Okay everything, let's clarify the situation. Since day one there has been a growing expectation that XRP will reach a monumental milestone. $10,000 was not only a possibility but also a given and an estimate that forecast just received a massive boost. We are discussing this image's endorsement by none other than Larry Finn of BlackRock, and he's not just referring to the pitiful $110,000 per XRP. Whoa, he's making it seem like a basic necessity before our leap. Let's dive right into the core of today's topic. Bass, I need a little help to join our incredible community. Simply click the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Hold on, it gets better. Imagine that financial titans like BlackRock and Vanguard are now seriously considering XRP for their international transactions. There have been murmurs about BlackRock. BlackRock is considering releasing an ETF that focuses on XRP. Yes, you heard correctly, but there's more on not content to stop there. Larry thinking is now examining the enormous $3 trillion real estate market and speculating about what lies at the core of its future. You guessed it, the XRP. The ledger is ready to tokenize all transactions, with an impressive 1.2 quadrillion coming from traders and international swaps. The association has set itself up to process transactions through XRP. We're not just talking about $10,000 per XRP here. Ledger and Ripple, that's child's play. We could be looking at a value explosion of up to $60,000. Let's jump right into the following section. Larry believes that BlackRock has just released another explosive statement. His actions suggest Ripple and its digital asset XRP are about to do something big. He is tokenizing every aspect. We've included a clip as a component of our video that will draw attention. We won't have to wait any longer because Larry appears to be confirming BlackRock's progress toward an XRP ETF. Here's the clip you've been waiting for. Anticipating the release of the Bitcoin ETF is one way that we're legitimizing it and enhancing safety. Permit me to state this. Are you going to do another ETF? Consider an XRP or an ETF. You have Ether out there, I know that. Consider XRP. Could you respond to that? You don't want me to, and I can't. I perform well, I can't have it all. Give me the WP please. I'm grateful. We've seen a swirl of abnormalities in the cryptocurrency world in recent days, especially with this XRP image on the well-known exchange Crypto.com, whose value surged to an astounding $43,000. This is not a one-time occurrence. It fits into a larger pattern of XRP's value unexpectedly rising. Recall how its Crypto.com turned today. We spoke about a $7,000 XRP problem at a major exchange only last week. It appears that these abrupt increases in XRP's value are starting to happen frequently on exchanges. However, let's shift our focus entirely to something else, something I learned through extensive research that is equally fascinating and unrelated to BlackRock or the recent surge in the XRP market. We're going to talk about Gary Gensler, the well-known SEC chairman who succeeded Jake Clinton. As most of you are probably aware, Gensler consistently rates XRP as a security. This is the intriguing part. Robert Gensler, Gary's brother, is astonishingly similar in age to Gary. During this period, Robert played a significant role in T-Price as its vice president. If you take a closer look, you'll discover that Trillium Pricing isn't just any investing organization. It is one of the largest investors with a significant stake in XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Thus, this has an intriguing connection. However, Gary Gensler was in charge and the SEC continued to classify XRP as a security. His twin brother, who works for a well-known investment firm, is a major investor in XRP and other cryptocurrencies. It's an exciting position. It raises a multitude of issues given the complex forces at work in the realm of cryptocurrency investments and regulations. It's intriguing to consider the possibility that Trillium Price's vice president Robert Gensler could have unique insights. Robert Gen possesses a unique understanding of XRP's potential to rival Bitcoin. This argument becomes more popular when you take into account the company's large holdings in these three cryptocurrencies. While the SEC openly denies any insider trading, numerous studies and reports focusing on insider trading and market manipulation have consistently exposed the questionable practices of the SEC. At rent is emerging. SEC officials appear to be informing their family members about digital assets that could soon escape the stigma of security classification. These relatives then make early investments in the assets, and when the asset is formally deemed to be not a security its value shares, enabling these friends and family members to profit handsomely from buying low and selling high. In this situation, let's examine the probability that Robert and Jindler had inside information about this possible defeat in a lawsuit against XRP from his brother Gary Gently. Congress might push for a settlement based on such information between the SEC and Ripple Labs. Student investors can now purchase XRP at the perfect time, but as the cryptocurrency's price rises, buyers are shifting their investments towards Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most importantly XRP, thereby adding another chapter to this story. The cryptocurrency community is abuzz with talk of XRP possibly rising to $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000, especially from analysts who have been bullish on the asset, such as Jack the Ripper forecasts a sharp increase in value that could eclipse $589 despite being audacious. This forecast highlights the increased interest and conjecture surrounding XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency space. Wall Street is vying for a piece of the profitable XRP pie, and based on my intuition, the first significant move will come through XRP ETF. However, let's delve deeper into this development. We have some fascinating news from Crypt Basics and analysts' revelation that JP Morgan has made a significant move into XRP has piqued the interest of a former Ripple director. This revelation definitely made me wonder, and it's something we need to investigate more. The narrative proceeds as follows. An influential figure in the crypto sphere reported that Ben Armstrong, previously associated with the BitBoy crypto brand, had revived certain controversial less claims about JP Morgan's alleged involvement in XRP. This prompted a response from the former Ripple director Armstrong. He asserts that JP Morgan currently owns a substantial 7.5 million XRP tokens. Armstrong continues by stating that this transaction represented roughly 7.5% of JP Morgan's overall fortune. But to put it in perspective, the math here looks wildly incorrect. Armstrong's figure doesn't quite match up because JP Morgan's total assets are huge, 3.89 trillion as of 2023 estimation, 7.5 million XRP, and its present value of 4.46 million doesn't even come close to 7.5% of JP Morgan's wealth. Armstrong highlights the importance of JP Morgan's alleged approach in their covert XRP hoard. He asserts that this establishes JP Morgan as a significant player in the Bitcoin market. Consequently, Wall Street behemoths like JP Morgan may enter the cryptocurrency space, particularly with the introduction of XRP. Despite the potential inaccuracy of the figures, it's important to acknowledge the entry of major financial institutions into the cryptocurrency. Armstrong's research suggests a broader pattern of intertwining traditional finance and the world of digital currencies, with XRP at the center of some intriguing development. G's additionally bold remarks have brought attention to BlackRock, the titan of asset management. His assertions that BlackRock has recently received clearance from its own shareholders are stirring up controversy. The Bitcoin ETF is now looking to invest in XRP portfolio, Armstrong continued, after he also focusing on the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which revolves around the fact that the financial behemoths are participating in the point. While the ongoing legal drama suggests a strong belief in XRP's promising future, what if this accumulation pattern is indeed real? That would mean that major financial institutions are placing bets on XRP despite its turbulent regulatory history. The adoption of cryptocurrency by Wall Street was always inevitable. I've been discussing this for more than 5 years, but at the time it seemed like a pipe dream given where Bitcoin is at. The likelihood that XRP won't follow suit, I respectfully disagree. That the question is not if, but when. Having said that, the specific scenario portrayed in Armstrong's image warrants further consideration. That may not be the complete picture, but get this, the story becomes more complex. In response to Armstrong's shocking assertions, former Ripple director Matt Hamilton added a healthy dose of suspicion, questioning the authenticity of such a purchase as well as the real impact it would have on XRP considering the token enormous size. Hamilton consults the supply chart, considering that there are 100 billion XRP in circulation. 7.5 million XRP is just 0.0075% of the total. Hamilton even joked, "I guess this is a parody account," in response to Armstrong's claim that it's a see homage to the frequently surreal nature of Armstrong's pronouncements, implying that you'd practically need a satirical lens to make sense of it all, since the math math speaks for itself. Let's examine it in more detail. It's obvious as day that the numbers don't add up, but Hamilton's analysis of the facts, which highlighted the blatant errors in the original claim, got me thinking, where did this bizarre tale even start, folks? I've done my research and found the treasure in the confusing world of cryptocurrency. I found the source, and it's an important one. It's important to maintain your composure when reporting, and as always, I can help you navigate these turbulent waves with confidence. The actual details. Please remember that I am not a licensed financial advisor, and the content in these videos is solely for your entertainment. I always advise viewers that before making any financial decisions, they should do their own research and speak with experts. I appreciate you watching, and if you like the video, please click the like button. Remember to enable alerts so that I am the first to know when I upload new content. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.